Here in this question, it is given that sides AB, AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here the figure is like this. This is triangle ABC and here is another triangle PQR. It is given that this side upon this side, AB upon PQ, ratio of these two sides is equal to AC upon PQ, ratio of these two sides, and this median, AD and PM are medians, is equal to AD upon PM. We have been given this and we have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Once again, AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. These three ratios are equal. We have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. For this we will have to construct. Produce this AD to E such that AD is equal to DE and produce this PM to another point N such that this PM is equal to PM, PM is equal to MN and AD is equal to DE according to construction. Here construction, produce AD to E such that AD is equal to DE and produce PM to N so that PM is equal to MN. Here AD is equal to DE and PM is equal to MN. Now we are going to prove. Here we will write in short AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. This is N, PM. Now we are going to start the proof. Here we can see, let it be angle 1, this be angle 2, this be angle 3 and this be angle 4. Here AD is median, means D is the midpoint of BC. It means BD is equal to DE. Similarly in this triangle, PM is the median, therefore QM is equal to MR. Since this if AD is a median, then D is the midpoint of BC. If PM is the median, then M is the midpoint of QR. Now we are going to put triangle ADB congruent to triangle DEDC in triangle ADB and triangle EDC. AD is equal to DE by construction. BD is equal to DE. Since AD is a median and this angle is equal to this, let it be X and this be Y. X is equal to Y. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, this triangle congruent to this by side angle sine. Therefore, triangle ADB congruent triangle EDC by SAS. Therefore, we will get angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and AB is equal to EC by CPCT. Similarly, we can prove here angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and PQ is equal to NR by CPCT. Means if we prove this triangle PMQ congruent to NMR like this, then we will get angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and this PM is equal to NR by CPCT. Here we have proved AB is equal to EC, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, PQ is equal to NR and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT. Now we have been given AB upon PQ is equal to, here AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. It is already given in the question. Now AB we have proved equal to EC. In place of AB we can write EC. We have proved PQ is equal to NR. In place of PQ we will put NR. AC and PR will be written as it is. And now we will multiply both these by 2. 2AD upon 2PM. We are getting EC upon NR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to 2AD will be AE. Since AD and DE are equal, therefore 2AD is equal to AE and 2PM will be PN equal to PN is equal to AE upon PN. Now we can see EC upon NR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AE upon PN. Therefore, these two triangles will be similar by SSS. Therefore, triangle AEC will be similar to triangle PNR by SSS. We have got these two triangles similar. Therefore, angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. And angle 2 is equal to angle 1. In place of angle 2 we will write angle 1. And angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Here we will write angle 3. Means we are getting angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Let us write here angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Let it be equation A. Now we are going to erase it. Again we will see here, since these two triangles are similar, therefore this angle 5 will be also equal to angle 6. This is angle 5 and this is angle 6, and angle 5 will be also equal to angle 6 since these two triangles are similar. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Let it be equation B. What we have proved? We have proved angle 1 is equal to angle 3. We can write it here. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 5 is equal to angle 6. We have supposed it be A and this be B. Now we are going to add these two. Equation A and B we are adding. Angle 1 plus 5. Angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 6. Angle 1 plus 5 we get angle BAC. And angle 3 plus 6 we will get angle QPR. Means we have done all these things to prove angle A is equal to angle P. Angle BAC is equal to QPR we have proved just now. Angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. We have proved here. Now we are taking in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, already given in the question, and angle BAC is equal to QPR, just we have proved above. Therefore, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR by SAS, side, angle, side, hence proved.